Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Tara, your host, and we're so glad to have you join us. If you've watched our channel in the past and subscribed, thank you. We're glad to have you as part of the nation. We always enjoy meeting members of the Road Rush Nation on the highways. If this is your first visit to the channel, welcome, and we hope you join the nation. To be a member of our amazing nation, all you need to do is give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming episodes. So today's adventure is a little different. It's Sturgis week, and I'm not there. Aaron is, but he's there visiting our daughter in Rapid City. So I decided to do something a little different today with you. Worth Harley Davidson in Kansas City is having a Sturgis Bash for those of us not going to Sturgis. We get a chance to check out new bikes, bands, food, and vendors. So I thought, let me take you along on a mini Sturgis. So let's go ride and check it out. I hope you enjoyed the ride in and the quick look at the 1947 knucklehead that they have on display at Worth. So getting to the Sturgis Bash, I have to say it was a bust. Don't get me wrong, there were some great bikes to see, which is one reason I always enjoy attending an event like this. It's awesome to see what bikes people are riding and what they've done to make it their own. The bands, they were also great, but here comes the bus. There was only one vendor, and their focus was on trucks. If you're gonna be at a bike event, have some bike stuff. And then there was just the Kona ice truck. Okay, word to anyone that is going to put on a bike event. Make sure it's a bash, not a bust. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next adventure. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy life. Remember, life's too short. So let's go ride.